When installing an LMS, there's a range of productivity gains that you're going to be able to see depending on where you start from. So if you're to start from no system at all and maybe a workforce that you see that there's more potential in them than what they're giving you, there's a potential to get 30, 40%. If you're someone that's maybe running a manual program that already has the LMS concepts in place, you can expect a 10 to 15 to 20% gain still with a traditional LMS by all the different things that it defines, because it's not only defining the performance of your individuals, but we're also doing coaching, we're doing incentives, we're doing progress monitor of work consumption, where best should labor be utilized because this person's trained or certified in this area. So throughput gains you're going to get by an LMS are defined by the handling characteristics of the actual product. I could give you different numbers of improvements of 10 to 20 to 25%, but it all really depends on what type of handling characteristics and where you started. All these things can be addressed with LMS because of the transparency that it gives, and all these things come together to define a large benefit. And one of the things that we've talked about is for every 100 people you have at $15 an hour, every 10% improvement is $225,000 a year savings. So that's a good rule of thumb for defining what's the ROI, and the important thing to remember about that ROI is it's a year over year. It's not a one-time saving, it's a year over year saving. So you're really building the pot into a gigantic ROI over the life of the system. The ROI for an LMS is very well defined because it's very well measured. The tool itself is put in to measure and give you not only the baseline, but where your improvements are so that you can chart those out. For a company that has 50 direct labor workers or more, generally the ROI is about 8 months to get paid back. And then everything after that is benefit towards your bottom line in throughput, in productivity, in visibility. It's very easily shown what the ROI is, and we've got lots of different history of companies that can contest to the ROI that it provides.